Hello and welcome back to another computer sluggish tutorial. I have been asked, is there an easy way to make your computer shut down after a certain amount of time? And the answer to that question is yes, there is. We're going to be downloading a program called Shutdown 8. If you go to the link that's in the description below, you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to click on download and you need to go save file. And once the file has finished downloading, we can now run the setup file and go run. And you can now go OK and install. Once Shutdown 8 has finished installing, we can now double click on the shortcut and we now have a few options. We have Shutdown, Log Off, Restart and Timer. You don't want to click on Shutdown, Log Off or Restart, as that will actually restart or shut down your computer straight away. You need to go to the Timer option. And you can now select shutdown in 30 minutes, and you can now change it from shutdown to log off or restart, hibernate or sleep, and it will do this in 30 minutes time. You can even press the plus button here and it will add more time. And it really is as easy as that. I hope this video's helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.